So hello guys, I am your host Rakesh from Digital World Tech Solution. I'll welcome you to my channel. So guys, today I have bring one very beautiful video for you that can be very helpful in your busy accounting software. So guys, before starting the session, I would like you to request please go to YouTube and please subscribe our channel Digital World Tech Solution so that you'll be stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. So guys, without wasting our time, let's go to today's video. So guys, today we are going to speak about some workflow into the busy accounting software, that if we want to use the complete workflow in busy accounting software for the purchase and sales. So why I'm telling you about the complete workflow, because simply people are using only sale and purchase transaction to record the accounting, to just manage the accounting and inventory, right guys? But actually maybe they are not very aware about that, how we can use the complete flow of busy accounting software. So today we are going to discuss about these things guys. So if we speak about purchase guys, if you want to manage the complete workflow in the busy accounting software, you have to follow a few steps. So what are those steps? If you want to make some quotations, then you have to use a quotation module. Then that quotation will be going to convert automatically to the purchase order, and from the purchase order you have to convert the purchase order to the good receipt note, and from good receipt note you have to record the purchase invoice. So what will happen guys, you will follow the whole process, and you can just track the reports into your accounting system as well, that how the process is gonna work for you. And the same way you can just follow the sales workflow as well. You can make the sales quotation, and from the sales quotation you can you can convert the sale quotation to sale order, then to delivery note, and then invoice, sales invoice. So guys, without wasting time, we will simply go to our busy accounting software and we'll think that how to work, right? So I will open my busy accounting software guys. So so far I want to show you that I don't have any sales quotation here, purchase order here, or purchase quotation even here, right? To start that, enable that function, we have to go to administration section here, then we have to go to configuration section here, then features options here, then go to inventory guys, and from here you have to start sales quotation and auto create sales challenge. You have to click on checkbox here, then purchase quotation as well in the same way, then order processing, and if you want to record the delivery note as well, you can simply click on enable sale purchase challan here as well. So without marking anything, I am just clicking on OK here and click on save here. So after clicking on save here, you will see guys, these functions are enabled here. Sales quotation, purchase quotation, and sale order, purchase order is enabled here, right guys? So to start the session, let's see few things. First of all, I have some list of my customers and my vendors as well. You can just see here. I will just go to my supplier. First of all, I will show you my supplier list. So I have three supplier, Busy J and Mr. A is not supplier, but I will treat as a supplier as well because the group is under writers. So I will just going to purchase some material from the Ajay supplier, and in the same way, if I go to my customers sundry debtors, you can see I have some customer name Rakesh here, right? So I'm going to record the transaction to these two ledgers. Okay, so you can see there's no opening balance and there's no closing balance as well for this particular ledger. And in the same way, I can show you my item list as well. I will go to item and list here, and standard format and all items. You can see guys, I don't have any stock so far. It's all 0, 0, right guys? So we will start working one by one. I will show you how to use that. So to start the workflow, we will speak about few things. First of all, like the purchase quotation and purchase order. So guys, this purchase quotations and this purchase order is like a complimentary voucher for us. So why I'm telling this complimentary voucher, because these two vouchers will not affect our accounts and our inventory. These are only our complimentary vouchers. We can just send these vouchers, we can send this invoice, we can send this document to our customers or our vendors for the advance payments and all, right? Like performance invoices and LPO kind of stuff. So these are complimentary voucher and they're not going to affect our accounting and inventory. So I will mention here, these are complimentary vouchers. Complimentary vouchers, right guys? So this is my complimentary voucher, and I'll put same to my purchase order as well. So guys, if I speak about good receipt note, this is my inventory voucher. Inventory voucher. Please forgive me if I just make some mistake into the spellings. And if you speak about purchase invoice, this is my accounting voucher guys. Accounting and inventory both, it will affect both of the accounts actually. So in the same way, inventory, like that. So in the same way, if I speak to our sales part as well, this is sale quotations like complimentary voucher. Sale order is also complimentary voucher, but my inventory voucher is sales delivery note. Actually, this is my inventory voucher, and then if you speak about these things, sales invoice, this is my accounting voucher. So guys, I will explain to you slowly how to work. If I just raise any purchase quotation, it will not affect my accounts and inventory. Okay, so let's go to busy accounting software, and here if I just go to transaction, I'm going to make any purchase quotation. So because I don't have any stock here, right guys? If I just show you the reports, I don't have any stock, so everything is 0 right? So I will make some transaction, see how it affect to our accounts and inventory. I'll go to purchase quotation, my complimentary voucher, click on add here. So guys, I suppose I just put the series name, then date here. My voucher number is this much, voucher number is this one, right? And I just choose one purchase type, maybe example, because I'm not going to add in taxes here so far. Then I just choose the party name Ajay as he's my supplier, and I'll choose the material center as the main store, right guys? So here I can choose items. As suppose I'm going to choose one item called Apple iPhone 10 pieces, 10 numbers, and the rate is coming here, right? In the same way, I'm going to use the laserjet printer as well here, right? This is second item. I will choose the 10 quantity here as well, and the rate is coming here. So guys, as suppose I have these two items here, right? Okay, I will make one more item here called this keyboard. Actually, I'm going to buy this 10 pieces as well here, and I put the quantity and rate here. So guys, I have added 3 simple items into my purchase quotations. I click on save here. Okay, forgot about taxes. And guys, so I had just make my simple purchase quotation. If you want to see the preview of the quotation, you can simply go to Alt P here, purchase quotation, and simply preview, and you can go ahead like that. So this is the preview of my purchase quotation, right guys? So this is purchase quotation, guys, right? And if I, as I told you, this is my complimentary voucher, it's not going to affect my accounts and inventory. So if I just go to my accounting books, as suppose I went to Ajay Ledger, Control L here, I'll put Ajay Ledger here, Ajay supplier, right guys? And if I check my accounts, you can see there's nothing available. The balance is 0 date of 1st to 31st January. So there's no accounting effect into my accounting books. And the same way, if I go to my stock status, Control S, and I'll check my stock here as well. And even if I change the period of the stock, 31st of January, you can see this, guys, there's no stock, right? So this watch is not going to affect my accounts and inventory, guys, right? So what was the next step? It was the next step is purchase order. We can convert this quotation to purchase order. How to convert? We have to simply go to busy again. We have to go to purchase order here. We have to click on add series, put the date here, put the voucher number, purchase type, what was the party. Guys, one thing you have to keep in mind, if you want to convert the purchase quotation purchase order to LPO, you have to choose the same party here, because if I not choose the same party, it will not reflect to my accounting books. So if I go to Ajay here, material center, I choose here. And guys, when you go to items, without pressing any button, without pressing any keyboard or stroke something, you have to press F11 in the screen here. When you click on F11 here, guys, you can see the quotation number is coming in this particular field here. So you have to click on this checkbox, okay, and you can see, guys, whatever items we have mentioned into the purchase quotation, it's coming to my voucher here automatically. See guys, everything coming automatically, right? So I click on save here. It means I have converted my purchase quotation to my purchase order. So if I going to see the preview, simply go to modify here, Alt P here, purchase order, preview, and you can see, guys, this is my purchase order, right? And I told you, as I told you earlier, this watch is also same complimentary watch, is not going to affect my accounts and in my inventory, right? So if I just go to Control S, stock status, see guys, no stock, right? If I go to my account ledger here, there's nothing, right? So there's no effect, no accounting effect, there's no inventory effect. So what is the next voucher? Next voucher is good receipt note, guys. So good receipt note is our inventory voucher. So what will do this voucher? It will affect our inventory actually. So let's see, guys, how to affect. it will affect only our inventory, not the accounts actually. So let's see guys how it will hit our inventory actually. So the next step we have to go to good receipt note. In the busy you can find the good receipt note, like the name of the good receipt note voucher is material received from party actually. You can change the name if you want. We will show you later again in a few coming videos that how to change the labels of this transaction, but you can just simply use a serial type called material received from party, and this is our good receipt note voucher. When you click on enter here, we have to use add button here, and then series main, put the date here, right? Then voucher number, then what is the type. Guys, here we have to choose the purchase challan. Why we are going to use the purchase challan? Because we want to convert this voucher to our sales invoice, our purchase invoice as well. So that time we had to require this purchase challan here. So I'm going to use the purchase challan here. Then the purchase type was exempt. I'm using the same. So in the same way we have to choose the same party here and material center. And when you go to items without pressing a button, we have to click on F11 here. Hit F11. You can just see the order number is coming here. So whatever the order number is here, we can simply click on OK here. So how many items we have entered there, it's coming here automatically. See guys. So I click on save here, and this is my challan reference number for the item wise. And guys, so as I told you, this is my inventory voucher, and I am telling you it will affect my inventory now. So if I go to check my stock here, Control S, and if I choose a period here as well, right, third or fourth you want, you can see guys the stock is available for 10 pieces for every item. Whatever I choose into my transaction in inventory voucher here guys. So we have converted our sale order to our good receipt note. So stock is into my accounting books. You can see here enter and material received from party 10 numbers, right? In the same way other items also involved in this voucher, so also coming to my inventory list here. This is here guys, right? So I hope this is clear also. So guys, as I told, this is my inventory voucher, but it will not going to affect my accounting so far. So if I just go to check my ledger here, Control L here, and I put the Ajay party name here, then I choose a period here as well. You can see guys, still there is no effect, because as I told you earlier, this is my inventory voucher and it's not going to affect my accounting books. How we can affect our accounting books? We have to raise the purchase invoice here. With the help of that, our accounts and inventory will be hit automatically. It will show the values into the accounts automatically here. So what I do, I have to simply go to my transaction here. Here I have to choose purchase here, add here, then I have simply put the period. We have to choose a series here, date here, voucher number here, type against challan here, because if I have created any good receipt note, then I have to use against challan, because we have created a purchase challan over there. And if you want to directly convert your sales quotation or order to invoice, then you can use the type as a direct, right? So my case, I have used the challan here because I have created a good receipt note. I'm going to use against challan here. Then the purchase type as you want to use, you can use party was Ajay, material center was main store, and when I come to items here, I'll press F11. It will pick up the challan number from here, my good receipt note number from here. So if I click on checkbox here, click on OK. So how many items we have sent so far to this invoice, it's coming here automatically. You can see guys, 10 numbers, even the same pricing. Even if I use the 100 item this invoice, it will take automatically from here, right? So like that, you can simply convert the good receipt note into the purchase voucher. So click on save here. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and the reference window is opening here. And the last, how much money we have to pay to this particular supplier, because this is my accounting voucher. So it's asking all the accounting details here as well. Click on OK. So guys, if I just check my stock, stock is same 10 pieces. You can see here 10 pieces, right, for every item. And if I check my accounting books now, it should affect my accounting now, because I have posted my accounting voucher guys. So 56,500 dirhams we have to pay to this particular supplier called Ajay, right? So this is the process guys, how we can just use the complete flow into the busy accounting software, how to make the quotations, how we can make the purchase order, how we can use the good receipt note, and how we can choose the purchase invoice. So if you want to record the payment, you can simply go to payment voucher here. I'll go to payment voucher, click on add here, choose a period here. I suppose I put a 5th date, and then maybe the regular payment, and party name was Ajay something, and what are the amount we can pay it here, 56,500 dirhams, right? Like that. Adjustment here, complete the amount, okay, and paid by cash or something. You can just choose your particular payment method from here, right guys? So I make the payment. If I go to Control L, the ledger, and you can see guys, the amount is clear, the closing balance is 0. So guys, I hope this workflow is like understandable to you. If you feel any difficulty to understand this purchase part, you can ask me in my comment box. So guys, we'll go to the next workflow called sales workflow. As suppose guys, we just spoke about the purchase workflow. We had to go to purchase quotation, then purchase order. In the same way, we had to go to the sale quotation as well. If you want to use a complete workflow, then sale order as well, delivery note as well, sale invoice as well, and receipt as well. So guys, we'll make something different here. As suppose I will make one sales quotation here, and I will just miss the voucher called sale order and delivery note. I can directly convert my sales quotation to my sales invoice as well. You can skip the step, right? So if you want to use a complete setup, you can just first make the sales quotation, then sale order, then delivery note, then invoice. But if you want to miss some steps, like after sales quotation you want to directly make the sale invoice, you can make that also. So I will show you this workflow how to do that. I will not make sale order voucher and delivery note voucher here, right? I will simply go to sales quotation and I will add my sales quotation from here. I'll go to sales quotation here, add here, series main, date, and I will choose the VAT type, maybe exempt here. I'll choose the party as maybe busy info tech, and I use the material center as a main store, and I will choose item here. As suppose I will choose Apple iPhone here, 5 numbers, right? And laser printer, I will choose 5 numbers as well. So I will choose the 2 items here and click on save here. So guys, as we spoke earlier, this is my like complimentary vouchers. It will not affect my stock. My stock will not go out, right? Because this is only complimentary voucher. If I go to Control as my stock, you can still see the stock is still same 10 pieces, right? Because stock is not out. And in the same way, if I go to my accounting books, Control L here, it was busy info tech, and you can see guys, there's no effect on my accounts as well, right? So because this is my complimentary voucher guys. So what is the next step? If you want to use, you can just simply go to sale order, then delivery order, delivery note number here, right? And then the sales invoice. If you want to convert, you can just simply go to I will just show you a small demo session how to do that. Sales order here, click on add here, then series, date here, voucher number, sale type here, right? I will choose the same party, and when I go to item, I can press simply F11. It will pick up my quotation number from here, right guys? You can just simply click on here checkbox here, and you can just simply check the quotation here. So how many items are, it's coming here automatically. But I'm not going to use the quotation sale order and delivery note here, right guys? I will simply convert my quotation. I will simply convert my quotation to my sales invoice. So how to do that? I make one quotation guys. You can see here, this is my quotation here, right? So if I want to convert this quotation to my sales invoice, how to do that? I will just skip all these steps. I'll skip these steps. Sale order, I'll mark it as a red here. I'll mark it as a red, and I will going to mark it as a red also, because I'm going to skip these both steps for you. If you want to skip also, you can skip into this purchase workflow as well, but I'm going to just skip into the sales workflow only. So I will simply go to the sales invoice, click on add here, and I choose the series, then I'll choose a date here. And guys, you remember, I think when I just spoke to you last time in the purchase side, we were using the against challan because we were making the whole process like purchase order, quotations, and the good receipt note and invoices, right? But here I'm going to choose only direct here because I don't have any delivery note or sale order voucher here. I will directly convert my sales quotation to my sales invoice. So how to do that? Here I will choose the type called direct, right? And after that I have to go to my items here, and when I go to item, I press F11 here. See guys, it's directly picking up my quotation from here. You can see guys, right? As suppose if I choose a different type here, as suppose I choose here against challan here, then I press F11 here, it will not reflect anything because I have not raised any delivery note and sale order here, right guys? So if I want to choose the against challan, then I have to use the I have to follow the whole process. Otherwise it will not allow me to just choose a vouchers from him. So in my case it's only direct because I had to make the sale quotation only. So after that I'll just choose direct, then my sale type here, then party name, material center, and when I click onto items here, press F11, I can pick up my quotation from here. So guys, you can see how many items I have put here so far. It's coming here automatically. You can see guys. So after that I have click on save button here. Okay, taxes we'll ignore here so far, and to ask the accounting details as well, that how much amount is paid for going to be due for this particular account here. Click on OK here, and you can just simply see the format of my sales invoice, how it look like. You can see guys, this is my sales invoice. And in the same way, if you want to see some like receivable as well, you can simply go to oh yeah, I will check some stock as well. Control S, because we just converted our sales, created our sales. You can see guys, the five numbers are out from here. Printers and iPhone both are out from here. Actually it's a group wise report. You can simply see here, Apple iPhone 5 numbers are out from here. You can see 10 in, 5 out. How many transaction happen, it's coming here. So guys, my stock is out now. In the same way, I'll check my accounting reports by pressing Ctrl L here. Choose a busy party name. Then you can see guys, 35,000 due amount for this particular customer. And how to receive this payment? We can simply go to receipt voucher here, click on add here, then choose a voucher series, then choose the date here. I suppose I put 31st only. Regular payment, no PDC. Party name was busy here. And what was the pending amount? It was 35,000. Clear the whole amount, or you can just simply go to 20,000 only as you want. In my case, I can adjust full or half, and simply adjust the voucher from here and click on OK here. And what was the medium of the payment? It was cash. Click on OK. If you go to my ledger reports here again, you can see guys, the amount is deducted from the account and the closing balance is 15,000 dirhams. So guys, I think this concern is clear to you, that how we can use the sales and purchase workflow. And if you feel that anything is missing, any complications coming to you, you can go to my comment box and you can ask me the details, or you can just connect my WhatsApp number as well. In the description part, you can check my WhatsApp number as well, and you can write me back over there. So guys, thank you very much for your time. I hope this video found you very helpful. And in the last guys, I would like you to request, please go to YouTube and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned for next important videos. Thank you so much guys.